So good morning children, welcome to today's class. So we are doing chapter 8, that is moving ahead with Flash CS3, introduction to Flash CS3. So this is an animation software. Using Flash we can create an animation. So children, take out your book and open page number 101. Selecting object using selection tool. The selection tool is used to select a single or multiple objects on the stage. So what are the steps? Click on the select tool in the tools panel. Second one, to select a stroke, click on the shape outline. To select a fill, click on the color filled inside a shape. To select a shape as well as its outline, double click inside the shape. To select one complete object, fill plus outline, or more than one object, just select selection tool and drag the mouse to a selection border around this objects. So one activity given on page number 101. Children, you have to do that activity. Tick the correct answer. Which tool helps you to draw straight lines? Pencil tool, brush tool, line tool. This is line tool. Which area in the tools panel contains tools modifier button? It is option area. Which tool helps you to draw perfect circle? Polygon tool, circle tool, oval tool. This is oval tool. Which tool can you use to draw rectangle? Rectangle tool. Which tool is used to fill color in a shape? That is paint bucket tool. Now now open page number 102. And one remember is there. So remember, whatever remember and terms, children underline those words. Creating a simple animation in Flash. So let us learn about the basic menu option in the Flash and how to create a simple shape and animation on the stage. So creating a new Flash document. You can use the new option of the file menu to create a blank new document. The steps are: click on file new. This will open up a new document dialog box with a general tab active. Select Flash file, then click on OK button. A new tab containing blank Flash document will appear. Now setting the document properties. You can set the document properties. When a new document is created in Flash, it opens the default properties setting. We can modify the default properties according to our needs by using the steps as given below. So click on modify document to open the document properties. Enter the title of the document, enter the description about the document, specify the size of the stage, select a color for the stage background, then specify frame rate. Click to make this settings as the default settings so that they are applied automatically to all the newly created document. Click on the OK button to set the properties and close the dialog box. Now creating objects in the keyframe. After setting up the document properties, the next step is to draw an object into the default blank keyframe that appears in the timeline when we open a new Flash document. The steps to draw the objects are as follows. Select a required tool from the tools panel. Select the desired stroke and fill colors this section of the tools panel. Drag the pointer on the stage to draw any object. Drag the object to the position where you want it to be the start of animation. Now remember if a keyframe is blank, it will have a blank dot over it. When a keyframe contains some object picture, solid black dot, it is seen over it on the timeline, converting an object to a symbol. A symbol is a reusable object in Flash Once an object has been converted into a symbol, it will go into the Flash library from where we can drag as many instances of it on the stage as needed. To convert an object to a symbol, follow the steps. Select the object, click on Modify Convert to Symbol to open the Convert to Symbol dialog box. In the Convert to Symbol dialog box, enter a name for the symbol. Select Movie Clip option and click on OK button. The save will change to movie clip symbol and will get added to Flash library. Remember, there can be three types of symbols in Flash: movie clip button, graphic. These symbols differ in a way they behave in a Flash movie. Graphic symbols are used to create background button and symbols responds to mouse clicks, and movie clip symbols are animated against the background, and many may contain graphic, sound, video, and so on. Inserting second keyframe. We have learned that frame is a single step of animation on the Flash timeline. A keyframe is a special type of frame where an animator draws the object, singling important changes in the object's position, size, color, and other attribute. Flash automatically fills up the frames laying between two keyframes to create an animation. We need not insert the first keyframe as it is automatically inserted by Flash. To insert the second keyframe, follow the steps given below. Click on the 30th frame on the timeline to select it. Right click on the selected frame, click on the insert keyframe option from the shortcut menu to insert a keyframe at the selected position. The same shape will be seen in the keyframe as well. Types of animation in Flash. There are two types of animation: frame by frame animation and twin animation. Frame by frame animation, as the name suggests, is a type of animation where we need to draw every step of animation in different frames. When the frames are played one after the other, the effect of movement or animation becomes visible. Twin animation. The word twin is short for the word in between. Twin refers to the process where Flash automatically generates intermediate frames between two images to give us an illusion of motion. Motion twin and shape twin. Motion twin is a kind of animation that enables the movement of an image from its position in the first keyframe to its position in the second keyframe. Shape twin is a kind of animation that enables the smooth transition of the first image into the second image, creating motion twin. The steps to create motion twin between two keyframes are as follows. When the keyframe 30 is still selected, drag the ball to the place where you would like it to be at the end of the animation. Right click on any of the frames in between the two keyframes and select the Create Motion Twin from the shortcut menu. All the frames between the two keyframes will be highlighted and an arrow between keyframes 1 and 30 will appear. This shows the motion twin has been successfully created between the keyframes. Setting twin properties. We can set the properties of motion twin just we have created, and the steps are: click and hold down the mouse over the is down arrowhead and the slider will appear. Drag the slider up and down to increase and decrease the is value. From the rotate drop down menu, select an option to rotate object clockwise and counterclockwise or auto. While twinning, ease value allows you to control the rate of the change between the twin frames. To begin the twin, gradually accelerate it towards the end. You need to enter a negative ease value -1 to -100. To begin a twin rapidly decorate the twin towards the end, enter positive its value and 1 to 100 in the its value. Testing the animation. We can test the animation by the given steps. To test the animation, you have to create, select control, test movie option or press control enter. Save the animation by pressing file and save. To change frame rate, first click anywhere in the empty stage area, then in the property inspector area, click on the frame rate box and change the value of the frame rate. Creating shape twin. Open the new Flash document file, file new, then draw a red color rectangle on the stage using rectangle tool. Right click on frame 30 from the menu that appears. Select insert blank keyframe. Select circle tool from the tools panel. Draw a circle of the same size as rectangle. Click on the first keyframe to select it. Click on the twin list box in the property inspector to select the shape option from the drop down list. Test movie by pressing Ctrl plus enter. Save the movie by using save option. Now activity given on page number 107. We will do this activity. Frames a small bar to the right of the layers area. Keyframe a special frame containing vital step of animation of an animation. Layers area, the areas to the left of the frames, that is layers. Timeline, a special frame containing a vital step of animation. Symbols are reusable objects in Flash. So we have discussed all the chapter, how you can create animation, how you can create different type of animation, everything we have discussed. We have done the activity given on page number 101 and 107. So children, you have to do that activity in your book and you have to write terms to learn. Already I have told you, you have to write terms to learn given in page number 107. And next class I will give you the worksheet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this chapter. So that's all for today. See you in next class.